Today we're gonna be making a pack opening on FIFA. Let's open this pack. Oh, let's see. Oh my god, let's see. Oh no, what is this? No, please no. I think that's the only player in the pack. Oh, wow, so good. Okay, let's go. The second pack, two rare gold cards. Let's go. Let's see, come on. Oh, Belgium, goalkeeper. No, I thought it was gonna be Courtois. Who is this? Who is this? Rob. Literal. Oh well, thank you. Yeah, let's go. What is this? I don't know what this is, but okay, let's go. Oh, what? Oh, okay. Now the premium silver pack. Oh. Oh. Bruh, where's this pack? Oh, wait, what? Oh, I can't afford any of these, but like. Yeah. This was all for today. I just wanted to do to see what I get. It was all trashy players anyway. So yeah, bye bye people.